It's as simple as that. Atomy's general commission is based on a point value system called PV. Every product you purchase from Atomy, you earn PV. And when you share them with your friends and family, they are distributed below your line. Possible with Atomy's binary system. Say, for example, when your mom and your best friend each buy daily necessities from Atomy, they accumulate PV. And those PV will be considered as your group PV. This is where you can start earning money. To start earning money, you will have to accumulate 10,000 PV to become a member. And your left and right legs need to accumulate a minimum of 300,000 PV. Once you meet the minimum requirements, boom! You will earn your first paycheck, all through using and sharing Atomy products. But don't worry, your points will continue to accumulate even if you haven't reached 300,000 PV on your smaller leg. So you don't have to worry about your group PV being flushed out. Don't worry, we'll wait. So as your mother and friend shares with more people, all of the generated PV will be included in your group PV, making it easier for you to complete your matching. The possibilities are endless, as you can share with anyone in the world. In Atomy, earning money is as simple as sharing. The gate to economic gain is wide open for you. With each PV you gather, you'll be allocated points. And from there, you unlock higher earnings through bonuses and commissions. It's that easy. In Atomy, points equals money. Your scores are calculated daily. Then the scores from Wednesday to the following Tuesdays are totaled for payment to be discussed on the coming Tuesday. Easy to say, you'll get a paycheck every Tuesday. More points equals higher scores, which equals higher payouts. Not enough? Don't worry. There's more. In Atomy, there's a mastership bonus based on your mastership level, making your payout larger every time you manage to accumulate a larger group PV. For example, to become a sales master in Atomy, you need to gather 700,000 in personal PV and generate 2.5 million group PV within a cycle across both your left and right legs. Reaching this rank earns you rewards like the Evening Care Set, Hemohim, and the Fame Set. This is a way for Atomy to celebrate your achievements within the community. On average, a sales master earns between $1,500 and $2,000 a month. Spectacular scenes await you when you reach the ranking of an auto sales master. It is a straightforward path to a passive income between $18,000 and $25,000 per year. The ASM ranking is just the start of your 5-figure income realm. As you climb the 7 ranks, you will unlock even greater passive income and lavish rewards designed to reward you for your determination and hard work. Along your journey, Atomy will always be there to reward you for the incredible heights you achieve with incredible cash bonuses, starting from $900 for Diamond Masters, $1,800 for Sharon Rose Masters, $9,000 for Star Masters, $45,000 for Royal Masters, and $273,000 for Crown Masters. And at the peak, look forward to a $913,000 cash reward when you ascend to an Imperial Master. This can all be yours when you make your way to the top. And with Atomy's special ceiling cap, everyone has a fair chance at success. The beauty of Atomy resides in a communal effort. Success impossible as an individual becomes possible as a team. Thanks to the growing number of colleagues, anyone can reach higher income at Atomy. So what's stopping you from traveling the world without a single concern, whilst earning a healthy passive income, all through sharing absolute quality products at absolute prices with your friends and family? In Atomy, we share, we earn, we grow together.
Okay, so hayan. In Atomy, we earn, we share, and we grow together. Teka, paano ba escape? Hindi alam ko paano gamitin si Channel Atomy. Okay, so this is in USA. So kung magpunta ako sa browser at lumipat ako ng Atomy Philippines, so I will type in ch.atomy.com/ph/ph. Okay. Kasi sabi ni Atomy, we don't have to actually reinvent. So I'm saving time para i-access natin yung lahat ng resources na binigay na sa atin ni Atomy. Medyo mabagal siguro ang connection ko today. once you go to Atomy Philippines, makikita nyo na yung mga mass watch videos. Lahat ng replay ng seminars na nangyari sa Philippines, mga Atomy Vision speech, example ng marketing plan, company introduction, product introduction, Atomy Vision speeches ng mga Imperial Masters. Meron tayong Secrets of Success, special lecture, Road to Success. And then, every Monday of the month, we have the Good Morning Atomy. So, kung ma-miss nyo yon, every 9:30 a.m., you can actually watch the replay via Channel Atomy, and you can also watch it in Atomy Philippines YouTube channel. We have the AVR courses. Partnership, donations, Members Corner, different Atomians around the globe about their stories, awarding ceremony ng mga Imperial Masters, yan, kung saan binigyan yung Imperial Master ng 1 million or 1 billion Korean won during the promotion period. And of course, the business resources holds the company introduction, yung PowerPoint ng marketing plan, different tutorials, different PPTs, ayan o, ang dami-dami, and then posters. So we just have to learn this. But I announced last night, ang main topic natin is about point value. But before I head there, I think I need to search something. I search marketing plan sa Philippines, okay? So, marketing plan sa Philippines, iba-ibang leaders na nag-explain kung paano kumita kay Atomy. Kasi minsan, like ako, hirap na hirap din ako i-explain kung paano kumita sa ibang tao ha, kung paano kumita. Kasi yung language maybe na ginagamit ko or paano ko i-explain is different sa istorya nyo or sa sitwasyon nyo. But I know how to earn the income in Atomy. I can honestly say na potential kumita ng 100,000 pesos monthly as an auto sales master sa Atomy. And then beyond that, our income ceiling is up to $100,000 per month. When I was looking at this earlier, I actually saw a different slide. But then, hindi siya nagpapakita ngayon. Okay? Kasi we will have changes sa compensation plan ni Atomy. And I'm not sure. Okay, hindi pa rin. Marketing plan. Okay, yan. Marketing plan under the business resources ni Atomy. Starting January of 2026, we will remove the products, yung promotional gifts ng products sa mga sales master and diamond master. Pero, kapag na-promote ka as a sales master, papalitan na siya ng promotion gift na 20,000 pesos. So previously, we received Himuhim, the Fame, at saka Evening Care for set. But in the future, you will receive 20,000 pesos as a sales master. As a Diamond Master, you'll receive a gift of 60,000 pesos. O, diba? Cash promotion pa lang to ha. And then, Sharon Rose Master, you will receive 80,000. Star Master, 400,000. And then, of course, yung Imperial Master, 40 million pesos. Ito yung mga promotion bonus during the first time you are promoted as a master sa Atomy. Pero every challenge period, because we could challenge 1 to 15 or 16 to the end of the month. So each time na magiging sales master ka, you can actually receive a bonus again and again and again. So i-highlight ko lang for the Imperial Master, you have to produce Crown Master sa kaliwa at sa kanan. And there are certain conditions kung paano ma-avail or not ma-avail, ma-acquire or ma-accumulate yung points na yon. So, Crown Master, kailangang may Royal Master. Pag Royal Master, kailangang may Star Master. Things like that. Pero, Imperial Master, yung promotion gift nila, they can receive 40 million 400,000 per month na additional Imperial Master Activity fee na pwedeng itulong sa mga members. And of course, you can do overseas travel. Bibigyan ka ni Atomy ng luxury car na may driver. Tapos yung sweldo ni driver, si Atomy yung magbabayad. And of course, you'll have Luxury car, syempre, at saka yung office na si Atomy rin ang magbabayad ng iyong secretary. Okay, let me just assign some co-hosts. Okay, let's make our future Imperial Master Joseph Ann to become my co-host to accept people. Okay, so yan yung Imperial Mastership. Star Master, like kagaya ng ating center head na si Joseph Ann, nag-produce siya ng dalawang Sharon Rose Master sa kaliwa at dalawang Sharon Rose Master sa kanan. So, during his promotion, nakatanggap siya ng 400,000 pesos na cash award. So, this is the Philippines Atomy marketing plan or compensation plan. Depende sa palitan ng Korean won at saka ng Philippine money, yun yung matatanggap nyo. So, since US account siya, I'm not sure kung ilang $1,000 yung na-receive niya. Pero on top of that, of course, nakatanggap din siya ng vouchers for 3 nights and 4 days. And I know na nag-travel sila. Was it Cancun, Mexico? I'm not sure. I think it's Cancun, Mexico. Right? Star Master Joseph, during your Star Mastership challenge. So, he went there. Diamond Master. So, this is a big change for 2026. So, now, as a newly promoted Diamond Master, you will receive 60,000 pesos. So, ang gagawin mo lang, you have to duplicate yourself once you became that Sales Master. Dalawa sa kaliwa, dalawa sa kanan. And of course, if you can do the basic accumulation of the point value na 2.5 million sa kaliwa at sa kanan, you will become a Sales Master. So, maximum na accumulation ng points, actually, wala namang maximum accumulation. Pero yung ceiling ng kay Atomy, once you reach 50 million points sa kaliwa at 50 million points sa kanan, maximum commission in a day is up to $1,200 to 60,000 pesos. Yun na yung pinaka-ceiling. So, ibig sabihin, kahit pa may pumasok na 400 million sa kaliwa mo, and then 50 million sa kanan, yun pa rin yung maximum commission for that particular day. So, Tuesday Atomy, kasi kanina doon sa video na panood niyo, di ba? Every Tuesday, we get our commission from Atomy. So, daily, you have the you can have the potential income of getting 2,400 on a daily basis, except Sunday. So, paano nag-accumulate yung points? During registration, you can be a customer or a distributor. So, kapag customer ka, you can accumulate points personal lang. Pero hindi ka qualified to get a commission kasi hindi mag-a-accumulate yung points na galing sa ilalim. So, kung baguhan ka, make sure ang color ng iyong account ay green. Okay? Kasi kung purple ang color ng box mo, ibig sabihin, you are a consumer. Okay, so ulitin ko. Paano malalaman kung ikaw ay consumer or qualified ka as a distributor or as an agent na pwedeng mag-cashback? Pag nag-login sa account, when you go to your lineage, dapat ang kulay mo ay green or blue. Okay, ano yung mga difference? Purple means you are only a consumer. When you registered and you are green, that means you are a distributor or an agent na pwedeng mag-cashback or mag-commission kay Atomy. Okay? Yun yung difference. So, kung pag green, ibig sabihin you're a distributor, you're an agent. Once na nag-start na mag-accumulate ng points at umabot ang iyong account up to 300,000 points, you are officially an agent ni Atomy. Okay. So, kapag baguhan, di ba may mga products kang itatry? And ang maganda kay Atomy sa ating online shopping mall, lahat ng products, except yung mga bags, mga unnecessary things, bags at saka brochure, I think, doesn't have points. Pero lahat ng products na gagamitin mo, like kape, toothbrush, toothpaste, panlaba, shampoo, conditioner, lotion, beauty product, evening care for set, supplements, lahat yun may points. At ang napakaganda kay Atomy is unlimited yung point value. Bakit unlimited? Kasi sa bawat piso na ginagastos mo sa mga gastusin mo na sa iyong tahanan, binibigyan ka ni Atomy ng points. Kaya sobrang bilis lang mag-accumulate ng 300,000 points. Okay? So sa mga nagsisimula, I would encourage you to try yung toothbrush at saka toothpaste. So 8 piraso ng toothbrush, 8 piraso ng toothpaste, that is 970 pesos. Okay, balik ko lang. With that 970 pesos, you can accumulate 10,000 point value. So, bakit mahalaga yung 10,000 point value? Especially kung registered ka as a distributor. Ibig sabihin kapag ka naging sales rep ka na, kasi 10,000 points yon, kapag nag-register ka ng lahat ng kapamilya mo or kaibigan sa kaliwa, kung may bumili man sa ilalim, kahit sino pa yan, kahit member pa yan ng kaibigan mo, ng kamag-anak mo, yung points na aakyat sa pataas, hindi yun lalampas sa'yo. Kung ang account mo ay may 10,000 points at kung ikaw ay isang distributor. Okay. Anong difference ng consumer at distributor? Sa registration, parehong libre, pero ang difference lang is as a distributor, nagbigay ka ng TIN number. Okay, validated yung account mo or verified yung account mo, nagbigay ka ng TIN number. And of course, ginawa mo na yung next step, binerify mo na kaagad at nilagyan mo ng bank account para pag may pumasok na commission, automatic kasi madali lang i-attract ang commission kay Atomy. Okay, bakit? So, sales rep ka, let's say you have 10,000 points. May bumili sa ilalim. Let's say, itong unang member, which is your mom, let's say, may 10,000 points din siya. Magkano nga yung 10,000 points? 970 pesos kung toothbrush, toothpaste. Gastusin ba yon or nag-convert ka lang ng brand to Atomy? So, yung gastusin mo, inilipat mo lang kay Atomy para mag-accumulate ka ng 10,000 points. Napaka-generous, 'di ba? Pero si DM Raylan may ni-register na nasa ilalim. Okay, nasa ilalim. And then sa Amerika, meron kaming promotion na beauty kit at saka health kit. Pag pinagsama ko yon, that is actually 300,000 points. That supplies, I'll use it for maybe 4 months. Yung iba, 1 month lang. So, bibili uli ako ng mga gagamitin ko. Those points na nabili sa ilalim, hindi yun lalampas sa account ng lahat ng tao na nakalinya sa linya na yan. Kaya, the first time you are registering somebody under you, make sure i-consulta sa sponsor. Sinong sponsor ang kukontakin? Yung naka-plug in sa system, hindi yung nag-invite sa'yo. Let's say, nag-invite sa'yo tita mo pero wala ding alam kay Atomy. Make sure maghanap ng sponsor above the sponsor na nag-invite sa'yo kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo. Kasi yung iba, I need to be the sponsor. Inilagay si nanay, inilagay si kapatid sa kanan. That is so wrong. Kasi dapat lahat na magkakamag-anak, isang linya para mas matibay ang iyong foundation. So, kung may minimum 10,000 points ang iyong account, kung may bumili man ng 300,000 points sa kaliwa, hindi yun lalampas sa'yo. So, yung 300,000 points na yon, aakyat yun sa nanay mo kasi meron siyang 10,000 points at a minimum. Yung 300,000 points na yon, maghihintay sa kaliwa ni nanay. Okay? And then, saan papupunta yung 300,000 points? Mapupunta din yun sa kaliwa mo kung ikaw nandito. That would be your left group point value. So we have yung personal point value, which is PPV, and then we have the GPV, yung group point value. So PPV, lahat ng products na binili mo under your account, mag-accumulate sa account mo. Group point value, lahat ng point value na nanggaling sa ilalim, kahit nasa kaliwa kanan pa yan ng member mo, aakyat yun sa kaliwa mo at sa kanan mo. Okay, so unlimited accumulation ng points kasi hindi nag-expire ang points kay Atomy. Even the group point value, hindi nag-expire hanggat hindi ka binabayaran ni Atomy. O, di ba? Napaka-generous ni Atomy. Okay, kanino nag-i-skip ang points? Let's say itong pangalawang member mo, registered siya as a consumer. Ano nga ang kulay ng consumer? Purple. Ayan. Okay. Kung purple siya, at may bumili ng 300,000 points sa ilalim, yung 300,000 points na yon parang, ay, lalampas lang sa kanya kasi consumer lang naman siya. Ibig sabihin, as a consumer, you are not interested to get a cashback from the company. So, lalampas sa kanya, magsisettle dun sa nakaregister as a distributor or as an agent, and then sa iyo. And then sa sponsor mo, and then sa sponsor ng sponsor mo, all the way to the Imperial Master. Okay? So, yun yung unlimited accumulation ng PB. So, first question is, would it make more sense for me to register as a distributor kay Atomy? Yes or no? Nung una, ganun din ako. Sabi ko sa aking sponsor, ay, naku, hindi ako interesado dyan sa mga points-points na yan. Consumer lang ako. But then, I started buying the products. I started using the products in Atomy na sobra-sobrang dami. And of course, ipakita ko yung shopping mall natin, atomy.com/ph or ph.atomy.com. Mali ang aking website. Okay, ph.atomy.com. Okay. So, nung bumibili na ako ng produkto kay Atomy, and I'm sending it to Singapore, to Philippines, sa mga kaibigan ko, kasi mas madali siyang ipadala kaysa sa isang balikbayan box, I started accumulating points. So, if I love the products, it doesn't make sense for me not to register as an agent kasi pwede naman akong mag-cashback. Diba? Minimum requirement to remain active kay Atomy, you just have to buy one product per year. And this is your website, the best tool that you can have. So kung na-miss nyo yung overview ng ating Atomy Shop last week, make sure you watch the replay sa Facebook feed natin sa Marinduque Global Center, or you can go sa YouTube, Rally Anatomy 101. So pag open mo ng account mo, you'll see the announcement. So today is November 11, napakaraming promotion sa Pilipinas. Napaka-generous ng Atomy Philippines. Imagine, for November 11 promotion, we have two promotion. You buy one Himuhim, one box of Absolute Skincare set, and you get one free Himuhim. That's an amazing, parang dalawang beses ka ng commission kay Atomy kasi you get a box of Himuhim. So kung nasa Pilipinas ako, I'm using both of these products, tubong lugaw na ako kasi kahit hindi ako mag-commission, aba, may cashback na kaagad ako na 5,100 pesos kasi yung supplement na flagship product natin, libre na kapag bumili ako ng mga product na binibili ko. Okay, another promotion is yung ating Sopalmeto. So if you have fathers or brothers or mga kaibigan na may problema sa prostate nila, benign prostatic hypertrophy, mababa ang number ng sperm count, okay? May problema sa pag-ihi, things like that. You can actually try the Sopalmeto. You can search online or sa mga PubMed, yung mga clinical trials. But our Arami company itself, na-research na yan, and that's a very effective supplement. For November schedule, we have seminars okay, masyado mabilis yung screen. So, look at the dates kung kailan posibleng mag-attend ng one-day seminar. And we have our Success Academy sa SMX Convention Center Manila on December 6. Okay, yung ating Crown Master Diva, siya ang ating speaker. She's a very inspiring leader. I have attended one of the Success Academy with her. Siya yung nag-promote ng One Team, One Spirit. Napakataas ng kanyang energy. Okay, so yan. And of course, we have revival meeting. It's always held sa Atomy Pickup Center, so make sure mag-attend kung pwede kayo at available. Announcement for the changes of the mastership level. And then of course, yung mga hindi bumili ng produkto in the last 12 months, you are now expired. Okay, so you only have 30 days to claim back your account kung kaka-expire mo lang. After that, wag mag-alala, napakabait ni Atomy. You can re-register. So just let me know kung nag-expire kayo, I'll re-register you. And I'll teach you and I'm committed to teach you how to earn that 100,000 per month income. Okay. I-click lang si announcement and then you are back to your shopping mall. Anong meron sa shopping mall? Of course, we have different daily necessities. Okay, X lang natin yan. We have the Himuhim, the health, the beauty, personal care, home food, and supplement. So, kung ako ay mamimili, you have to log into a particular account. And let me use someone else's account. Someone else's. Okay. Ito yung product na huli ko, ito yung account na huli kong ginamit to give points. Okay. Para mag-accumulate ng personal point value, of course, you have to buy some products. Okay. Bumili ng produkto kay Atomy. Buy the products that you will need and start sharing it once you love it. So, let's say, bibili ako ng mga produktong gagamitin ko. And ang mga produkto na I would highly recommend for each family to have in the Philippines or use in the Philippines na alam ko na hindi kayo mapapahiya, hindi kayo malulugi. Use actually the toothbrush. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na yung combination nito, dalawang pack nito, isang pack ng toothbrush, you'll get 970 pesos. So, look at that. You have 5,000 points sa toothbrush pa lang. Kung 470 i-divide sa apat, ganun lang siya kamura. Okay? So, sa unang tingin, parang ang mahal. Pero actually, kapag mas tinutukan mo, mas tiningnan mo, murang-mura lang siya. So, I would recommend the big toothpaste kasi mas mura siya in per gram kung kukumputin nyo. Okay? Mas malaki. So, uh, i-click lang yung cart, blue cart. Am I login? Okay. It's not doing it. Sorry. Ayan. Okay. Pag sinabing toothpaste set, yung malaki, 5 piraso, i-share sa mga kamag-anak. And then, click add to cart. Okay, let's say, bibili din ako ng maliit kasi it would be Christmas soon. So, bibili lang ako ng dalawang set niyan. Bibigay ko sa aking 8 kaibigan with a pair of the toothbrush. Okay, kung nagtitipid naman, toothbrush lang ibibigay ko sa kanila. Kung talagang walang-wala, ibibenta ko sa kanila para mabawi ko yung puhunan. Okay. Will I be crazy sharing these products? Of course, kasi alam ko na ito lang yung company na pwedeng magbigay sa akin ng passive income and opportunity in the future na walang hinaharm na iba. Okay? I will not be begging for you to buy the products, but I am promoting and sharing this to you. And I hope na makita niyo yung opportunity. Okay. Another product that I would recommend para sa mga kababaihan is the Adam Cleanser, a feminine wash. Adam Cleanser, maraming herbal ingredients, very refreshing, 270. It's an all-around cleanser. Pwede sa mga kati-kati, sa mga sugat. Ayan, okay. You will not go wrong in this particular product. Adam Cleanser. Okay. So, let's say in other budget, lahat yan halos ginagamit ko. But say you're a typical family that is on budget. Pero sa mga nakakaluwag-luwag, of course, gamitin lahat. Okay, another product na i-recommend ko is under the home category. So, nagkakape ka ba? Ay, hindi pala. Sa food pala yon. But, sorry. Sa home category, okay. Eto, lahat ng nandito, I highly recommend this, okay? Yung scratch-free scrubber na hindi nangangamoy, mabantot, okay? Banlawan lang ng ayos, patuyuin kasi antimicrobial. Dish detergent, a concentrated dish detergent na mas maganda kesa sa Masayang brand. Kasi yung 1 litro, halos 20 bottles na yung equivalent niyan. Sobrang mabula pero ang bilis-bilis makaalis ng sebo and very gentle sa kamay. Okay, kaya gustong-gusto ko siya kasi magaspang na yung kamay ko. Although hindi naman ako naguhugas ng plato, but pag naguhugas ako ng plato, of course gusto ko siya. Etong stainless scrubber, eto talaga. The best ito. Yung mga tiles na ano, all the pang ano siya, pang mga kaldero, kawali, ganyan. Yung kung may kaldero kayo na talagang maitim na hindi maalis yung mga sebo-sebo tsaka yung itim niya, use this one. You'll be amazed and you'll be surprised. Paired it with the dish detergent, mukhang bago na uli yung inyong mga panluto. But what I like about this product is yung ikiniskis mo siya sa isang masebong kawali. Let's say, kasi pag stainless, kahit stainless yung ano mo, hindi naman nagagasgas pag ito yung gamit mo. So, sobrang sebo niya. Tapos, banlawan mo lang nung tubig. As in, naaalis siya. Kasi yung previous brand na ginagamit ko, isang gamit lang. Pag ginamit mo sa masebo, itatapon mo na kasi hindi mo na siya magamit. But this one is different. Hindi nga siya nagra-run kapag i-run mo sa stocking, yung bago, i-ganun mo. Okay, test lang ha, i-ganun mo sa stocking, hindi siya nagra-run kasi very delicate and very, ano yung, nagbablank ako sa term, but it's a true stainless. And then, another product is the Atomy Fabric Detergent. Yung panglaba for 590 pesos. And then, makakalaba ka na ng 233 washes kasi ang matatanggap mo, dalawang pack na ganito. So, 2.8 kilograms. So, that's equivalent to 233 washes sa kada 5 kilogram wash. So, kung 10 kilogram ka kada laba, edi mas lesser na wash. Pero imagine, wala pang 3 piso. Wala pang 3 piso. Wala pang 3 pesos yung kada laba mo. So, sobrang tipid. Aside from the price, hindi bumabantot yung labahin mo. So, kahit nakababad yung labahin mo ng 3 days, 5 days, hindi siya bumabantot. Okay? Pag 10 araw na, kagaya ng ginawa ko, medyo katangahan ko na yun kasi nakalimutan ko na basa yung akin nilabhan. So, wag yun ang paabutin. But I honestly can say, 3 days hindi siya bumabantot. Usually kasi kapag nilabhan mo tapos nakababad na matagal, the next day sobrang bantot na niya. You have to wash again and then yung iba gagamit lang ng fabric softener to mask the smell. Pero kay Atomy, kahit hindi ka gumamit ng fabric softener, mabango pa rin. Okay. So, i-click natin add to cart, add to cart ng scratch, add to cart, ano nga, i-click para i-add to cart, click the blue cart. Oh, stainless scrubber, ayan. Although lahat yan ginagamit ko Atomy fabric detergent. Okay, so tayo, iba-iba tayo ng preference. Okay, like, yung, ako personally, mas gusto ko yung powder. Pero yung iba, depende sa washer nyo, you may require a liquid fabric detergent. So kung mga delicate yung lalabhan, tapos madalian lang, then you can go for liquid fabric detergent. Kung hindi kayo makakalimutin, nakagayo ko na, yan. So, you can go for a liquid fabric detergent. Ako, mas gusto ko talaga yung powder kasi feeling ko mas malinis na malinis, walang amoy yung nilabhan at saka amoy malinis lang. So, those are the products under the home category na inire-recommend ko sa inyo. And then, under food, of course, kape. Kung nagkape ka, ako, nakadalawang stick na ako ng kape Arabica kasi umaga dito sa amin. Ayan, kape Arabica. 510 pesos for 50 sticks. So, ibig sabihin, 50 kape pero 510 pesos lang siya. So, less than or about 10 pesos kada stick na 3-in-1. Okay? Bakit ko gusto yung kape Arabica ni Atomy? Kasi ang bango-bango niya. Iba ang lasa niya. Iba ang lasa ng kape Cafe Arabica. I'm not sure kung ako lang, pero once you taste yung Cafe Arabica, hindi na kayo babalik dun sa dating yung brand. Kasi yung dating brand ko, brand N at saka brand F, medyo nangangasim ang sikmura ko dun sa kape na yon. Parang iba talaga yung lasa. Pero with the Cafe Arabica, malinamnam, very rich. Hindi sa pang just to make a sale or anything. You can come by sa bahay para tikman kung gusto nyo. Okay? Kasi libre sa mga gustong makatry. Of course, kasi gusto kong mas makatipid, ang bibilhin ko yung 200 sticks. Kasi kung yung 56, you will pay about 10 pesos a coffee. Kapag itong binili mo, kasi mas marami yung binili mo, you will pay less than 10 pesos. So, yan yung i-add ko. And of course, out of stock na naman yung ramen, pero parang ano na yan, extra na yan, di ba? Kasi sa Pilipino, sabi nila mas mahal. Pero para sa akin, sobrang mura na yan para sa akin kasi that would make me 8 servings of potato ramen. Eh kapag nagpunta ka sa Mega Mall, magkano yung ramen doon? Sus ko nasa 450 pesos isang bowl. pero hindi siya authentic na ramen. But you're paying 450 pesos for a ramen of bowl. A bowl of ramen, I mean, sa Mega Mall. So, yan. Okay? So, dito sa website na to, I mean, dito sa uh, category na to, yun yung mga recommended ko. And then, under the supplement, when you go to health, kung meron lang isa na pwedeng i-recommend dito, syempre, dapat alam mo kung anong kailangan ba ng katawan mo. Okay? Kung yung healthy and may mga kids, may mga anak na you want them to have a strong immune system, I would highly recommend Color Food Vitamin C. Bakit? Kasi yung Color Food Vitamin C natin, it's a combination of different fruits and may turmeric na siya. And then, very high for vitamin C at saka yung collagen, meron yan. Antioxidant, so why not? Good for 3 months. Okay, so yung re-recommend ko. And then, kung meron lang isang product na pwedeng bilhin kay Atomy, and you are only allowed to buy one product in Atomy, anong product ang bibilhin mo? Ako. Siguro yung iba, I could use other brand. But one thing na hindi ko mabibili anywhere in any shopping mall is Himuhim. So, I can forget about the sunscreen, I can forget about the beauty product, I can forget about the rest, yung mga shampoo, conditioner, sabong panlaba, I can forget about all of that. Pero yung Himuhim, I would still constantly buy this para sa aking sarili, para sa aking pamilya. I would love my family to always take it. Kasi ito lang yung product na alam kong hindi makakasama sa kanila. And in the long run, talagang makakatulong sa health ng bawat isa. So that's the Himuhim. And meron pa tayong na-miss, yung beauty product. So under the beauty product, alin mo product na inire-recommend ko sa bawat Pilipino. Kung nagsasabon ka ng mukha or naghihilamos, okay? You can buy the foam cleanser for only 500 pesos. That would take you about 6 to 8 months to use. Sobrang tipid, lalo na kung wala kang ka-share. Pero kung sinishare mo, nagpe-facial ka sa iba, pinapatry mo sa iba, of course, you will love that. Another product na I highly recommend sa mga gustong gumanda, yung instantly mararamdaman mo, GGSS, yung BB cream. Kasi 400, imagine 420 pesos. Nung unang taon ko, in Atomy, with the BB cream, because I'm not into makeup. This is not a makeup, but it is called a blemish balm to hide the blemishes. Okay. Nung una, as in na-expire sa akin yung unang tube. Ganon siya katipid kasi konti lang yung gagamitin mo. And then, tapos na. And then sabi ni Star Master, you have to use more. Sabi ko, pwede palang i-build up kasi pwede kang magkuha ng dot, i-apply mo sa mukha mo. And then after that, you can add additional, depende kung anong coverage ang gusto mo. So, nung second time, siguro mga mga 4 to 6 months na nung second year. Pero nung unang taon, na-expire sa akin si BB cream. Kasi nga, in a year, hindi ko siya naubos. I think this year, siguro, baka nakadalawang BB cream na ako this year. Maybe because I'm sharing it with somebody or using it for someone else. Pero sobrang tipid. Worth the money. Okay. Between the sunscreen beige, sunscreen white, tsaka itong essence, of course, I'll go for the essence. Sun Essence. Okay. Bakit? Kasi very dry yung face ko. Etong essence na to, para siyang combination ng healthy glow base at saka ng sunscreen tsaka moisturizer all in one. So, ang swerte-swerte nyo, Philippines, kasi meron kayo nito. I have to buy this from Korea. Directly from Korea. Or kapag umuwi ako ng Philippines, of course, I'll buy this. Okay, kasi meron na siyang anti-wrinkle and then brightening. Kung very oily ang face mo and you don't want that extra moisturization, then go for the sunscreen white. Okay. Bakit ko gusto yung white? Kasi kahit alin yan, pwede kong gamitin eh. Kasi kapag nilagay mo siya, talagang instant parang nag-bright, yung medyo dewy pa, tapos nag-brighten na kagad yung face mo. And then the beige naman is sa mga normal or combination kind of skin, pwede na siya. Kasi para siyang tinted moisturizer. Okay? Hindi masyadong kasing moisturizing ni Essence, pero not bad as well. Okay. So, kapag sabi nila, kapag para sa katawan, you can use this. Although may sa ibang countries, meron silang pangkatawan. So, kung katawan, you can use either this. Dapat kasi kapag sa sunscreen, especially kung pupunta kayo sa dagat or mas sun exposure, naglalakad, you have to use sunscreen. Okay. Nag-click na ba ako? Nag-add to cart na ba ako? Siguro hindi. Okay. So, I recommend yung foam cleanser kung nagtitipid and I'll recommend the BB cream. Okay. Add to cart. And add to cart. Okay. So, let's see kung ilang points na yun. Okay. Hindi ko sinabing bilhin nyo lahat, but I'm just showing you the power of the point value. Those are the products that kahit wala si Atomy, I know that for sure I'll be buying it somewhere else. Okay? I'll be buying it somewhere else or every other month maybe I'll be buying them. Okay? So, yung palang mga products na yon, i-uncheck lang natin si Himuhim, okay? Yung supplement. Uncheck natin si Himuhim. Okay. So, yung mga products na yun, of course, it costs you 9,380 kasi yung iba good for 6 months, yung iba good for 200 coffee, may panlaba, may ano. So, about 9,380 and you get about 60,600 point value. O, diba? So, yun yung points ng product. So, i-uncheck ko lang. And yung kanina na nire-recommend ko is the toothbrush and toothpaste. So, sabi ko, bumili ng dalawang toothpaste na maliit, isang toothbrush. So, isang toothbrush. Kasi 8 na yon, tapos 8. That's 970 pesos. And then it gives you 10,800 point value. Okay? At a minimum. So, ang maganda kung merong center na malapit sa inyo, to enjoy the free shipping or free pickup ng product sa center, make sure affiliated kayo sa center na yon. So let's say ang bibilhin mo lang is Adam Cleanser. That would cost you 270 pesos. Pero meron ka ng 1,800 point value. So other companies or other seller dyan sa Pilipinas, meron silang mga Suki card na nag-accumulate ng points. Ang difference with Atomy is yung points ni Atomy hindi nag-expire. Maghihintay lang hanggat hindi ka binabayaran ni Atomy. Okay. So, conditions to earn income in Atomy is first, you must be registered as a distributor or as an agent. Second, verified dapat ang iyong account. Third, kailangan may naka-attach na bank. And then fourth, kailangan nag-share. At least meron kang binary consumer group. May consumer sa kaliwa, may consumer sa kanan. Those are some of the requirements kung paano kumita kay Atomy. And then make sure you take note yung milestone mo kapag nag-accumulate ka na ng point. Kasi sobrang daling mag-accumulate ng points kay Atomy. If you're using the products, if you're buying and using the products, and you are constantly sharing it sa mga kakilala mo, you will definitely earn the point value. Additional ways para mag-earn ng point value, of course, mag-plug in sa system, mag-attend ng meeting. Kasi iba nag-attend lang, nakakuha na ng points. Wala pang product na natatry. But I do encourage you to try the products. Kasi if you are not using the products, you will not be successful in Atomy. And then if you are not sharing, then Atomy is not for you because Atomy is sharing. You cannot be in Atomy kung hindi ka marunong mag-share. Okay? So I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any additional questions about the point value, make sure you comment. You can reach me at ralinatomy@gmail.com or pwede rin mag-email sa Marinduque Global Center, mgc.atomyph@gmail.com. Okay. Kung may problema sa shipping ng products, hindi dumating kaagad, kanino pupunta? Kanino magko-complain? Of course, si Atomy ang awayin. Okay? Huwag si sponsor. Kinalaman ni sponsor dyan. Okay? So, customer service. Ayan. Napakabait ng ating customer service. Ng atang Atomy Philippines. You can reach Atomy Philippines, atomy_ph@atomypark.com. Ito yung direct phone number nila. You can do a one-on-one inquiry within the particular order that you made. And then you can also chat via messenger. Okay? So kung hindi makarating kaagad sa inyo ang produkto, Well, follow up kay Atomy. Huwag kay sponsor. Pag may nagtanong, be the best customer service as well. Lead your consumers to the right direction. Okay, paano ba nila makukuha yung product? Okay, kasi minsan nangyayari yan kasi mali pala yung number na inilagay. Lalo na kung si sponsor ang bumili or si sponsor ang naglagay ng order o ibang member ang naglagay ng order na mali pala ng phone number. Okay. LBC and To Go Company will contact you and reach out to you kung paano. Kasi sa Pilipinas, mas mahirap hanapin ang mga bahay. Kailangan magbigay tayo ng landmark, paano ba pupunta sa inyo. Kasi ayaw mo naman na iiwan lang nila sa labas ng bahay. Sa Pilipinas, hindi pwede yun na iniiwan yung box ni Atom sa labas ng bahay. Of course, kailangan ibigay sa mismong tao para hindi mawala. Sa USA, of course, pwedeng iiwan sa labas ng bahay. Kaya make sure kapag nanakaw, i-report, and then find ways na hindi manakaw yung um, inyong products kasi it's of absolute quality and absolute price. Sobrang tubong lugaw na talaga kapag ka nanakaw pa yan sa inyong harap ng inyong tahanan. Okay, so I hope sana mas may natutunan kayo today. Kung nalito man sa point value, I can honestly say that the company is very generous and it's possible for us to earn passive income hindi lang para sa iyo kundi para rin sa pamilya mo, para sa kamag-anak mo, para sa entire community. And this is the only business that will give you a passive income up to the third generation. So I know someone in my family would inherit this account under me. Ayan. So kung ayaw nilang gawing business, it's okay. I can designate somebody. So ayan. Okay. So yan lang po. Next week, I apologize, I don't have any slide today, but hopefully next week I can show you how to challenge auto sales mastership or how to become an auto sales master like me. Okay, paano kumita ng 1 million pesos in a year kay Atomy? Sobrang dali lang yan. Sa simula, medyo mahirap. Sasabihin niyo naman ang yabang-yabang ko. But I can honestly say, after 5 years, madali na siya. But in the beginning, it's truly hard. And I know where you're coming from. Siguro sabi nyo, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. But start with the basic, okay? Start using the product. Just try. Start learning about the company. Lahat ng tools nandyan sa online. And then reach out to the sponsor na naka-plug in sa system. If you are not part of the Marinduque Global Center, but you happen to see this video and you want to do a coaching, message me. I'll be generously sharing all my know-hows in becoming an auto sales master and a diamond master. And let's go together and let's dream to become an imperial master because in Army, everything is possible. Okay, so let's go imperial. Okay, Marinduque Global Center, that ends our presentation. And I would like to call our Star Master, Joseph Ann, to share his insight to the viewers. Go ahead, Star Master Joseph.
Hello, magandang gabi po Pilipinas, magandang um, uh,
Gabi.
magandang gabi. Yeah. Magandang gabi po. Magandang umaga po USA. Uh, I usually know, but sometimes I don't know. My brain is getting older, I think. Uh, Well, yes, today was a very, very good message from the Diamond Master Rally. This is the basic. This is the basic atomic business. And usually, you we my sponsor Uzik Song and I am and Shadow Rose Master Gerard and Diamond Master Rallin and Sales Master Ping, Sales Master Elena, Junie, uh, Ramel and Danilo. Everybody have it, what? Same platform, same shopping mall, nothing different, same thing. Atomy company say use the shopping mall. Why don't you use the shopping mall? Just you know, try your success. Yeah. But everybody have it. Left leg, right leg, we call mainstream. Your left leg mainstream, right leg mainstream. Everybody. You have it stronger leg and weaker leg. Just make a balance. Weaker leg, Just you can just continuously put it in the, depth line, just continuously put it in your, new membership. Just put it in, put it in. Everybody do that. Everybody success. This is very simple structure. That's why Atomy is mess. At the simple, very simple. Left leg, right leg, just keep it growing. Everybody success. But I think we have a lot of but members, but not much people use it Atomy product. When I go church, I meet my friend every Sunday. I know everybody use it cosmetic. I know that somebody uses Atomy, somebody uses another brand. Of course, use for the another brand. More people use for another brand. But I know that if somebody use it, not use it cosmetic, what I mean, skincare product, somebody not use it, somebody use it. I know that guy is very well. Face is skin is weak. I use it Atomy product. People say your skin is pretty good. They say. So yeah, I use Atomy, but I know s- s- skincare produced for the skincare product. That's for the daily necessity product now. So we use it Atomy product and Atomy product. That's for the basic, and then people just telling the people and put it in. What membership continue membership. Put it in. That's everybody success. The Diamond Master Rallying, this not a business alone, just the team together. Team together. We have a team. This is the very beautiful team. This is the very beautiful team. We have team, we to challenge it something we can do. Just talk to together. We just do something is happening. If not doing, it's not happening anyway. No, no happening. Happening is we have to do something. Let's make it happening. They're achieving something. Just make it growing, growing, growing. So Atomy business is really what no hassle anything. But we just we just put it in what the people continuously what make it membership and left leg, right leg, just keep this deeply just do it. And Atomy company just calculate the money for everybody. That nothing, what the hassle. Somebody say, hey, we have to do buying for the product. Of course, buy have the product and use for the product, telling to the people. That's for the our effort, that I'm never say that is the but kind of a hassle. No, that's for the some my what investment. I mean, time investment, product investment, something. But I know what some people just visiting our home. Some people know, but we have some product at home just for the side of the world. I don't have a product, nothing. When I beginning, I don't have product, nothing in home. But when I beginning, we just throw away. We just buying for the product, use for the product, and share to the people. When I share to the people, I need the product. So we just put it in some little one. When I buying one, we next time we buying two. That's for the make it extra a little bit. Just some people ask it, we just deliver. I mean, share to the people in church. Sometimes with the church member, hey, Joseph, can you bring it? But something in the church, they are not member. If they do member, it's good. They are a member, but even member, they not buying for the themselves. I don't know why. That's for the one of the buy what question, If even what Atomy members, they not buy, what, in the USA, what, $120 for the free shipping. Some people what make a membership online, themselves, they buying themselves. Even what, 6,000, what, 60,000 PV. They don't care, just free shipping. But we are Atomy, but business partner. That's why we just talk about why don't you save to the shipping charge to the or minimum $120. Actually, in the USA, what the $120 is nothing, But $120 for what we can do $120 for. But even if we have it big, people know about people, yeah. In church, they say, hey, bring something. If I don't have it, something in extra stock, I cannot give it next day. I mean, they use it, they product, but when I just really share to the people, deliver to people that PV going to what everybody, was my mainstream. We always just put in the PV at the depth. Um, but yes, Atomy will be not not big, you know, big, just change it every day, big change it, big no, but slowly it's going to be growing. But that's for the us. We are slowly what develop slowly and going to what atomic company different. Atomic company it doesn't matter with the slow going on, but fast going on, they don't. Atomic company anyway growing fast, very growing. Atomic global member is growing fast. Yes, we are beautiful team. We do something. One person doing something to make wanna be happening. We're just talking together, just challenge together, and we are not Diamond Master Rallying Team. They up Shadow Rose Master with the Gerard and up and Stamata Joseph up Uysuk Song. We whole team just we can just we do have something planned. We just whole team just moving, and that we can talking about. And so, but challenge is good, and also, but try to more product use it. I'm not I'm not pushing to, hey, buying for the product. No. If you not use it atomic product not that much, try use it. But use it product. Atomic product really very, very good product. And even what we not, what, when I using what skincare one bottle, we not we using almost using not throw away. No, ethnic product is a very good product. So we just clean up the bottom of the. We never throw away even little bit of skincare, what little bit of product, that much good product. What this morning, I love you, everybody. We will be meet at the top anyway. Just for the just we had Atomy Bus. We ride already Atomy Bus. We are family in Atomy. We are friend in Atomy. But yes, I'm loved my Atomy family. But this time, look, Rallying, mom and brother, husband, dad. This is a really, really good Zoom meeting. I want to see my family every day, but no, we are more close than my family. Thank you so much. Salamat, salamat po. Thank you.
Salamat po, Star Master Joseph Ann. Okay. It's true though when he said we don't throw away Atomy products. We don't. Kasi even if it's expired, it is still of absolute quality and absolute price. So, thank you everyone. And that will end our presentation. So, assignment for next week, make sure mag-log in sa Atomy Shop app. Kung wala pang app, make sure you download. Okay? To gain more PV, kapag may tinanong si DM sa mga challenge, mag-comment lang. Minsan you'll earn some free points. Okay? Yung iba, nag-attend lang ng meeting, they'll earn 3 points. So, sino bang bago dito? We'll see. Okay. And at least watch a video of our Chairman Hangul Park para mas ma-inspire kayo. Kung hindi man kayo na-inspire sa tinuro ko today. So, next week, join me and I'll teach you 4 strategies on how to become sales master or kung paano kumita ng 40,000 to 50,000 a month. So, that would be next week, next Tuesday. Okay, maraming salamat po. Again, I'm Diamond Master Redlyn Pilapil Monorca, and that will end our presentation. So, Global Army family, are you ready for the company motto? Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go!
Carry
Carry
the
the
spirit,
spirit,
break
take the vision,
vision,
follow
follow the
serve
faith,
in
serve in humility.
serve in humility.
Aja! Aja!
Ja.
Ayan, nakabukas ang camera mo, SRMG. Do you have any message? Live on Facebook. Ayan, smile everyone for the picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, thank you po. Bye everyone. Do you have any message, SRMG?
Mag-greet lang ako ng magandang gabi at magandang umaga sa inyo lahat at yung ating pong mga ongoing events sa Atomy, especially sa Philippines, ano? Let's do our best na makapag-attend tayo, especially yung ating mga ODS. At ODS naman sa Estados Unidos ay pwede nyo rin i-promote sa mga kaibigan nyo na narito via your social media. Ilan po, maraming maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Okay, thank you for waking up so early for the Marinduque Global Center. Ayan, okay. Bye, Facebook viewers. If you've gone this far, make sure you comment PV. Point value, PV. Okay, so I would see you. Okay, thank you, everyone. We will discuss more strategies on Zoom. So maybe you guys want to join us. Bye, Facebook. Okay, thank you, everyone.